It's the year 2172. We've become an advanced civilization where the boundaries of reality are constantly redefined. This is John. He is on the brink of pulling off the greatest heist he's ever planned. But what he discovers in the locker leaves him stunned. Instead of treasure, he finds obsolete paper notes, worthless relics in the world of the future. Picture a future where money as we know it has vanished, where the concept of currency defies all logic and imagination. Let's dive into some of the potential forms of currency that might exist in the world of tomorrow. In a world increasingly driven by the need for sustainability, energy credits could emerge as a revolutionary form of currency. So what exactly are energy credits? Instead of mining for gold or printing paper money, we harness the power of renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydro. Each kilowatt-hour of energy you produce or save earns you credits that you can spend, trade, or invest. Imagine your neighborhood as a mini power plant. Each home is equipped with solar panels and wind turbines. The more energy you generate or save, the more credits you earn, which you can then use to pay bills, buy groceries, or even trade for other services. Now you might be wondering, how do we keep track of all this? That's where blockchain technology comes in. Each transaction, from generating energy to spending credits, is recorded on a decentralized ledger. This ensures complete transparency and security. The beauty of energy credits is that they're more than just a currency. They're a force for good. By tying wealth directly to energy production and conservation, we're incentivizing sustainable practices on a global scale. Welcome to the future, where Earth is just one stop in a bustling interplanetary economy. What's an IPTU, you ask? IPTUs are no ordinary currency. They're backed by the most valuable resources in the universe, asteroid minerals and rare metals. Who needs banks when you've got the cosmos at your fingertips? Now imagine a world where you can buy Martian water with IPTUs, mined from a distant asteroid. Whether you're buying a moon mansion or just fueling up your starship, IPTUs have got you covered. And don't worry about the distance. IPTUs are managed by ultra-advanced financial systems that operate faster than the speed of light. Okay, maybe not literally, but close enough. These systems ensure that your transactions are instant, secure, and, most importantly, intergalactic. From Earth to Alpha Centauri, your credits are good everywhere. Imagine a world where your paycheck isn't signed by a person, but by an AI. That's right, your income managed and distributed by a super smart algorithm that knows more about your finances than you do. Welcome to the future of universal basic income, or as we like to call it, UBI 2.0. AI could revolutionize how we distribute UBI. Picture this, advanced algorithms crunching trillions of data points every second, analyzing everything from economic trends to individual spending habits. The result? A UBI system that's tailored to you, adjusting in real time based on your needs. This isn't just about convenience. By adjusting payments based on real-time economic conditions, AI can help stabilize economies and ensure that everyone has what they need when they need it. Imagine a world where poverty is not just reduced, but eradicated, where financial security isn't a privilege, but a guarantee. But don't worry, this AI isn't all cold calculations and numbers. It's designed to be responsive, empathetic, and, dare we say, a bit charming. In a world where tech is evolving every second, don't be surprised if your next best friend is an AI who knows you better than anyone else. Welcome to the metaverse, where reality is what you make it and money is, well, not quite real. But don't let that fool you, because in this world, virtual reality coins or VR coins are the currency of choice. Forget cash or cards. Here, your digital wallet is the key to endless possibilities. But here's the real kicker. VR coins aren't confined to one reality. They're cross-platform, baby. Trade them in any virtual world you choose. VR coins are the heartbeat of this digital economy. Earned by crafting, trading, and investing in virtual worlds, these coins are more than just numbers. They're the key to unlocking a universe of possibilities. Whether you're designing a jaw-dropping avatar or snapping up that prime piece of virtual land, VR coins are the way to go. Let's just hope we don't become this in the future. Welcome to a world where your followers aren't just fans, they're your fortune. Meet social influence tokens, the currency that turns your likes and shares into cold, hard clout. Sits are earned by doing what you already do best, creating content, gaining followers, and spreading your ideas. The more buzz you generate, the more sits you collect. It's like being paid to be popular. Got a knack for going viral? Your sits can be exchanged for more than just bragging rights. Influence has always been power, but now it's literal. In this hyper-connected world, sits are more than just a currency. They're the fuel for a new kind of economy. Whether you're trading ideas, collaborating on content, or simply spreading positivity, sits flow between platforms, creating a social economy where influence rules.
Join us in the battle against cringe content. Hit that subscribe button and become part of a community that values quality over clickbait. Together, we'll make the internet a better place, one video at a time. But, hey, no pressure. Except, if you don't hit that subscribe button, you might just miss out on the next big thing that everyone's talking about.